It's 9 p.m. and I'm craving something like gelatin gummies. I've got an idea. My lemons are starting to go bad, so I need to use them up. I'm making lemon gelatin gummies. Sounds good. I'll make them now and let them set overnight. I wish I could eat them now, but I have to wait. Let's make it. I'll show you how I make them. One cup of lemon juice. It smells just like lemon drops. My favorite candy when I was growing up. How many lemons did I use? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. About 7.5 to 8 small lemons. I'll pour the juice into a glass container. Then add gelatin to bloom. Five scoops. It's blooming now. Now I need to boil 3/4 cup of water. I use an Alexa Pure water filtration system. It's gravity fed, so it doesn't require electricity. I used to love my AquaTrue, but I experience power outages often, so I can't use it to filter water. Alexa Pure is better for off-grid. AquaTrue is great for city tap water because it filters out more chemicals. Alexa Pure filters less. It's better for well water. If you're in the city, I recommend AquaTrue. If you're in the country with well water, Alexa Pure or Berkey is a better option. While the water is heating up, I'll go ahead and add maple syrup. I need about half a cup. The water's ready. See the lumps? It usually needs to be boiled to dissolve them, but I'm just scooping them up instead. Let's taste it. I'll add a little more water. About 3/4 cup to 1 cup. Now it's perfect and delicious. I can't wait to eat some. It's very sticky. Put it in the fridge a few hours overnight. My fridge is full. Gelatin gummies have so many health benefits. I try to eat them often. So many health benefits. They're great for skin, joints, nails, hair, and more. This Brazilian pasture-raised bovine gelatin, paleo-friendly, hormone-free, non-GMO, lab-tested, RBGH-free, and gluten-free. The amino acid profile per serving offers many different amino acids. If you need to increase your protein intake, this is a great option, and collagen. Now I'm waiting for the gelatin to solidify overnight. I can't wait to taste it tomorrow. I left the gummies in the fridge overnight and all day. I haven't had a chance to taste them. I was busy today. Let's taste it now. It's firm. More firm than Jell-O. That's how gelatin gummies should be. I have hiccups. Let's taste it. It's good. It tastes just like a lemon drop. Let's see if my partner likes it. Yay, she likes it too. Thanks. It's delicious. I'm going to cut them into smaller pieces so I can snack on them. What kind of gummies should I make next? Thanks for watching. Love you all.